Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to set up automatic credit card payments for Bank of America so you never miss a payment again in 2025. First, log into your Bank of America online banking account. Once you're in, go to your credit card section from the dashboard. Click Payments, then select AutoPay or Set up Automatic Payments. Choose the account you want payments to come from, like your checking account. Next, pick how much you want to pay each month. You can select minimum payment, statement balance, or custom amount. Then choose your payment date. Most people keep it on the due date. Review all your settings carefully. Then hit save or confirm to activate AutoPay. You'll see a confirmation message when it's active. And that's it. Your automatic credit card payments are now set up in Bank of America. Quick, easy, and ready for 2025.